Money with Eddie and Vinny Cuz here, trading the spy. And we are two rideshare drivers trying to find a way out of ride sharing through the day trading platforms as of Webull, using Webull. Paper trading money first. We have a little challenge going on, $1,000 account, see how long it takes us to turn it into $2,000. I'm currently still at 1,000. Vinny is down at $808. So,
Yeah, I had a bad day yesterday. Bad day yesterday. But and now we're coming from I'm broadcasting live. We're broadcasting live on Eddie's three channels. His three channels. His driving in style, his watch him lose money on YouTube, his watch him lose money on Rumble.
hopefully.
I'm going to be trading every day now on Basic Trading 101, which is my YouTube channel. I'm probably going to stay away from my normal Vinny Cuz channel. We will see how this plays out. Anyway, Eddie, Eddie, how'd you do last night, bro? Where we at?
Okay, I did 197 last night.
Okay, okay. Limited time too, right?
A very limited time.
Yep, yep, yep. That's
Very
good.
limited time.
Good,
I
good,
think
good.
that was I didn't wake up early in the morning. I actually started at about uh 12 noon, 1 o'clock. I don't know. But 197 in that it was a lot of my harvesting strategy, which I was not hitting it as much, but it adds up.
Yeah, hell yeah, it adds up. Well, I did 213 last night, not counting tips, because tips aren't on the app, so tips are random. I can't really count that, but 213 on the apps last night for about 5.5 hours. A lot of people going to Valentine's dinner, bro. A lot of people going to dinner last night, so that was
Well,
pretty cool.
there's gonna be an issue today because this morning was doo doo, and now I'm gonna head back to work as soon as I'm done with my CPA, which is at 11. Um, and then my daughter wants to have a daddy daughter day. She wants to watch a movie.
Oh, what are we gonna watch?
I
What are we gonna watch? What are we watching? I gotta
she
know.
wa-
Gotta know.
she wants to watch it too.
What?
Yeah.
It's daddy daughter days. She wants to watch some clown come up out of the sewer. What the hell?
Yep.
All righty. Hey, I ain't
She
judging.
likes scary movies, but she's afraid of porcelain dolls.
All
Yeah.
right. Well, good for you. You're gonna be like,
And yeah. And I always tell her, she's like, Daddy, why do I like such scary movies? I was like, because you know they're fake and it's not happening to you. But now it's a different story when you're
ah,
in the when you're in a situation where you're like scared and you don't know what to do. That's why. Because when you're watching a movie, you're in control. You can, if it gets
true.
scary, you can just go hide. You know.
That's it.
Um, in
Run
real
and
life,
hide,
you can't do
girl.
that.
Run and hide, little girl. Anyway, all right. Well, I got Tesla teed up. CPI numbers came out. I still don't know what the actual number was. But I know there was a little. I showed you there was a little shuck and jive story going on. We know inflation is just out of control. So, uh,
Really out of control. And by the way, my strategy is when the green line crosses the yellow line, I buy. That's it.
y'all got that right. Y'all got that right.
When the
Green
green
line
line when the
crosses
green
the
line
yellow.
crosses the yellow line, that's when I make my purchase.
That's what the
Yes,
man said.
that's
He
it.
said, "Do do 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 do."
Morning, West. Hey, West, are you trading with us too? Oh, and then hold on, was it West that's actually trading the forex market too? Um, I've
Who?
been wanting to try strategies even in the because as far as support and resistance, it's like it doesn't matter what market you trade, they're all the same thing.
All right, I'm in already. I told you I was going to rip a contract right off the rip. I told you I was not playing today. Oh, 345. Tesla just dove.
Oh yes. And by the way, I have a put option on Tesla, but with real money. $160 put, which cost me like I think it was like $130 or something like that. And where is it? There it is.
I'm trying to play the opening range. We're at the bottom of my channel. I'm looking for Tesla to rip through 190 and keep coming down. Up, up, up. That's at the bottom of the channel.
I have a 410. I have a 41012 resistance. 41012. No. Oh my God. 40972.
Come on, break through this
Oh,
chill.
I'm so
Break
sorry.
them down.
I'm
Come on.
slurping again. I'm
One more,
slurping.
one more big rip here. Give me one more big rip here. Nvidia's tanking. The dollar's up. The VIX is up. But Tesla's a different animal, bro. Tesla's just a different beast. Now I'm trying to get out of this contract.
Ah, come on, put it up, put it up. I want to see. Where are you?
Right here, bro. What are you talking about?
Vinny says. Oh, I thought you were showing both our charts.
No, you said you wanted to see. I was showing both our charts. Here, let me get
Yeah,
this
no,
out.
no, I can't. It's so small on my screen. See, I gotta cough again.
Yeah, bro, that's what they're always telling me.
Who gets to $2,000? But I have a 15-minute rule. I do not want to trade in the first 15 minutes because, first of all, I'm new. Okay, and don't get me wrong, newbies like myself, moi. Yeah, just wait, just wait.
All right, so I had what 808 to start the day. 808 to start the day. I spent 345 on that contract.
So you
Got
have
out. Hold on, bro. I'm not even. I'm gonna bring up my little calculator.
my
Eight oh
calculator.
eight minus 345 leaves me 463 for the day right now.
So in other words, whatever amount we have on the account after we buy an option and we use like if we use $300 out of the thousand, okay, that's it. Now we can't because when it comes to
Exactly.
paper trading, when it comes to paper trading, whatever you make or lose, you have it available like the amount of money like right away. So
Exactly.
if you use 300 out of the thousand, then that's it. You can't use the rest of the money that you have left. So you have to deduct it, but
That's
you have to
right.
do some
Because
calculation.
right, because it wouldn't clear until tomorrow.
Correct.
But that brought my account up to 853. It's not showing my good P&L, but I'm at 853 now. So that's 463. I got that written down. So we were at 808, 8.
Hold on. What you trade there, Wes? Oh wow, yeah, Tesla free fall. Yes.
That was a $40. That was a $43 gain right there.
Oh, let's see, baby.
And now Tesla's bouncing back up to the upside. Do we retest 200 today? Now Tesla's ripping. Interesting though, with what Sergio was talking about yesterday.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you. Hey, did you figure that thing out? Really interested
No,
doing it the
I
old
did
school
not
way.
figure it out. I did not figure it out, but I do have it up. So let me see if I can show it to you this way. I do have it up because I'm gonna, like I said, bro. I gotta learn. I gotta learn. You really can't. Well, you can kind of see it here. I need to make it better. So these are my three charts. Bam, 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 bam. These are my three computers. This top one here is that correlation. That
Yeah,
correlation. So
the T
uh,
T TN. What was it?
TLT,
TLT.
triple Qs. Yeah, TLT and triple Qs. So I'm going to figure that out as we go. I'm going to get this camera set up to where I can have
And he
an
said
down
when
under
they're
my.
really spread apart, the odds that That it's gonna go in the direction you choose or higher.
Long, going long. Yeah, when you're going long, you can be more aggressive with your trades.
I would
But
love to learn that.
so
Ah,
I
okay. Out yeah, forex. He's trading the forex, right? The Australian dollar and the U.S. dollar.
all right, let me close this camera out. We don't need to have his camera on. All right, Eddie, your camera's up there, buddy. You're up.
Nice. No trades for me yet.
All right, I've
And
already
I'm
made.
buying. I'm buying in 10 contracts. Um, 3 strikes out. So, in other words, this is my options over here. There's some people in here. I don't know who was in here that was new that was asking me, asking last time what they wanted to learn. So I don't know too much about options. All I know is that 0 days, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Anyway, I only stick to 0 days because I only want to trade for the day. Now these right here are the price of the options. If I want to go down, you'll see there's 0.54. Yep, it is 54 cents, but each option is 100 shares. So it'll be $51 to be able to buy this option. And then it's a put, so I make money on the way down. And then it's the opposite on this side. See, in this side it's $2.90 or 89 cents, whatever. But it's 100 shares, so it'll be 200 and whatever. So just multiply by 100. So that's how much the option is going to cost you. Feeding minutes. No, 7 minutes. 7 minutes left. And the reason why I like to wait. So here's my 200, my green, my yellow. I'm waiting for the cross. Okay, my 200, it's at the top, so I am expecting movement to the downside. But here it is. It's just it's getting really tempting right now because it's pulling back. It's hitting off the my 9 EMA right here. No, no. Again, green line crosses over the yellow line. That's right. Let it go up.
God damn it!
Also,
Where's
it
that?
cost me my option cost me one. Damn, it cost me
What?
136,
This one.
137.
All right, looks like Tesla's going to reject off the 200 moving average.
Wait,
Came
wait. How
all.
can you?
I'm in my charts, bro. So I have to decide which way I want to go with this.
Oh,
God,
Tesla.
either 190s or 200s. But I'm looking at Tesla. I've got on one of my charts. I've got the 1 minute. I actually have a 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute chart up. So it'll keep me. I actually have the charts up.
Yeah, look at that. Well, yeah, I have my Tesla on my screen also. So
Pre-market high was 199.35 on Tesla. So let's see what it wants to do here. This is a leg up. I'm going old school for real on you guys today, bro. You have no idea. I don't
I'm
like
just
losing.
gonna do the waiting game. I'm being patient because if it's real money, we can't really be messing around with real money.
Well, that's why you trade. You have to trade the exact same way, whether it's paper trading or real trading. And you know what? Your emotions will be in the same way anyway. So
And usually, what I like to see is that when it crosses, it just
futures are-
dives and then comes back on the pullback, and then I buy the pullback.
if we break through this 196.23, I might have to go to the upside on Tesla. Yeah, this is going to keep going up. Which one do I have dialed up here? The 202.50, 202.50. Okay. All right, I'm trying to grab a 202.50 call, and then I'll be ready to get out of it real quick if this rejects off this 196.23. I am in. I am in at 350. Just got to get ready to go if it goes the other way on me. Now, I'm not even looking at percentages. I'm just looking at the chart. 303.50. Give me my 303.50. Fuck. No. We're trading today, boys and
Yep.
girls.
I still have not taken a trade yet. I'm not wary. I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
I wasn't ready.
I
Watching
just need for my
futures.
setup and or remember I can trade anything. Eight, 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 eight.
This one I can have a little more patience with if I want, but I don't want to have patience. I want to get in, get my money, and get out. Up 11% on this contract right now. All right,
I
come
need
on.
my green line to cross over my yellow line.
Let's stretch it out. Let's stretch it out. Let's stretch it out. Come on. Let's go.
That don't sound too good.
You can't stretch it out, bro? What the fuck? Charlie. All right.
All right, let's go. And then this 409.50 level here.
All right. Let's see if we get another little flag starting here so everybody can see what I'm doing there. That purple line is where I'm in. That's where I'm sitting at. That this purple line over here indicates my price where I bought in at. Currently up 8.5% on this contract. Seems like it broke that 196.23, which was pre-market high, and we get a little pullback, but it looks like it would keep continue to the upside. We did a fib retracement here already. We it didn't get out of there the way I wanted it to, so let's go ahead and put this channel in now. See if this channel is going to be true, or if we're going to be, or if it's going to be invalidated.
All right, let's see how it goes.
Let's see if this channel is going to be invalidated or not.
Two, two, two.
Uh, channel. Where's my channel? Here's the trend channel. So we're going to go from here to there. There's my channel. Even though this channel's a little skewed, I don't like it. Channel's not a true channel, but let's see what happens here. Eddie, it's 9:40. Oh, you haven't taken a trade yet. It's only
I
9:40.
have not taken
Dude,
a trade yet.
dude, it seems like I've been trading for an hour already.
Yeah, no, I'm not taking a trade yet. I just need everything to line up.
And I'm sorry, y'all. Eddie's gonna have to handle these comments right now because I am like locked in for a minute here. I got to
Yeah.
catch up to this cat, man. This cat, he's kicking my hind parts. But I did something really stupid yesterday, and so I've got a lot of I got some work to do. It's not revenge trading. Yesterday's yesterday. It's gone. Can't do nothing about it. That's money. That money's gone. That 182 yesterday is gone. Can't do nothing about it. Watching the Dixie and the dollar, or the VIX and the Dixie, they're both coming back down. SPY is moving up. Futures are moving up. SPX is trying to fill a gap. Currently up 21.5% on this contract. Just I keep seeing my volume. I'm in my channel over here. Run that channel. You guys can see it's a move. Oh wow, I didn't know that on Webull. Bro, look at my left look at the right chart where I got the channel drawn up on the stock price.
Uh huh.
Look how it fluctuates. Like the bottom end of the channel keeps moving.
Oh
Like it's
yeah,
fluctuating
yeah.
with the
That's the one
price.
we would. That's the one I was doing last time.
Right. But well, you found this, but it's amazing. I didn't know it would fluctuate like that. That's a positive, not a negative. We're approaching this 199.35. Option contract is now up 28%, up $100 on this contract. Can we keep it going? Can we get to the 204.23? Stop loss is in effect. My finger is on the trigger. See what it wants to do here at this channel because it's really approaching. Boom! I'm getting out of the contract. Trying to jump out of this contract. Let's see if it fills. Let's see if it fills. Yep, that contract filled. So I was in at 345. No, that's not right.
Tesla, I mean, SPY is coming up to my 200 on my 3 minute, and it
There
looks
we
like
go.
it might be turning around. Ooh, 1 minute.
So let's see now. Wait.
I'm still gonna wait. I'm still waiting for my opportunity.
All right, Eddie, I'm up $120 on the day. I popped out of that contract, so I'm clean. I'm out clean. You can see here. Um, see that 928 showing my P&L and everything now. There we go. See
Who
that?
can take 1,000 and turn it into 2,000?
Up $128 today, and I spent. Let's see. That first one was.
Three
I might
something.
be. I might be out of gas. Yeah, I might be out of gas now. So it's 345 and 350. So what's that? 695 I've spent at a 808 minus 695 leaves me 113 to still play with today if I want to. But that's two successful trades. So in 20 minutes, I managed to get up $120. Now we sit and wait. It's all you, brother. It's all you, brother. Let me get
Let's
in
see.
this.
I have not made my trade yet. So Vinny is done for today for this competition, right? Are you done? Well, okay, technically. Oh, though you still have
Both of
like
them. Yeah, man.
130.
Yeah, I still got $113 I can play with if I wanted to. But right now, I want to see what's going on in the comments, bro. I got to come talk to my peoples. Good morning, Commuter Branch. What's going on, Paul? How's it hanging in Ireland, man? Uh, Weston says he's up hella. What Wes was trading some forex this morning, wasn't he?
Yeah,
You were saying
yeah. He said
up
500. Yep, from 170. Uh-huh. That's what he was saying. So he
got this
traced the
ahead of
forex.
solar. Are you still trading, Wes? Are you still trading the Australian dollar and the U.S. dollar? Yeah, Tesla had a free fall, bro. Paul, but God, you can see the channel on the screen here, right? You can see my channel. Even though it dropped this morning, right? Tesla's an animal, bro. It's a beast. So when for me, for me, trading Tesla, you got to be on your game, dude. You got to know Tesla is an animal. It's gonna recover. That's what it does. Yep, trading forex currency.
Let me
Yep,
see if I see.
Australian to USD. And see, right now we're in a little consolidation area. It looks like on Tesla.
Yeah,
We don't know
Tesla's
when
pulling
we look.
back, and I'm actually looking to buy Tesla.
All right, so I caught up to everybody in the comments. All clear, 5 by 5. Amen, bro. All right, that was a good morning. That was a good 20-minute rip.
All right, Tesla.
So what was my percentage though? What was my
And
overall percentage gain for the day?
Tesla option. Okay, great. I've got a call.
God damn, son. You sound like
Yeah.
me.
Okay. I might just get into Tesla right now. Got the pullback of the break of 198.91. Let's see how it goes. Green crossed over the yellow, but it's still kind of just like pulling back.
Oh.
See, SPY's consolidating right here. So now I'm waiting for it if it's gonna pop above the 200 and then it comes back, bounces right off, and then I'm in. So la 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 la.
All right, I am now got my eyes on SPY because these contracts are a little cheaper to trade if I want to. I'm not saying I'm trading them. I've only got 113, so I'm not trying to exhaust all my funds. I'm up 15% on the day. Where's my
No, no, that's too low. Okay, there you go. I have my two options of a choice.
whoop, whoop.
Oh, let's see how it goes. It's bouncing off the 200. Ah, man, I just need my yellow line, my green line to cross over my yellow line.
Let's see what kind of garbage T-Mobile Tuesdays has for me now. $2 off any drink at doesn't say where. Kung Fu Tea, never heard of them. Oh, free two stack of it's banana salted caramel. God damn.
You
I
never
want to
had
give
the
me all
salted
three.
caramel? It's actually pretty good.
Bro, all that salt in your system and you're talking about freaking Coca-Cola.
Let me see. Tesla watch list. I'm gonna go with Tesla options.
Another quick tip: if you guys have T-Mobile as your cell service provider, every week they'll give you at least an additional nickel for your fuel rewards program, so you get 10 cents off a gallon on one shot. But I got to be honest, bro. The best, the best fuel saving app out there right now by an individual company is freaking Chevron. If you guys do not have the Chevron Fuel app, go download the Chevron Fuel app. Your next three fill ups, you're going to get $1 off a gallon, $1. And then as you add points, you're going to wind up getting 25 cents off a gallon, 50 cents off a gallon. Bro, it's the best.
All right, here we go.
It's-
I am buying two calls, 217 calls. All right, of this break. Am I in positions? Okay, I'm in a position. I got two. Um, okay, and I'm expecting a continuation with my well, this is my spy, but Tesla, let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna put my Tesla up. I just gotta make sure that I'm trading on the right. This is not working. No, no, no. I do not want to mess up because last time I did this, it messed up. I can't. Oh, here we go. So this is my Tesla. I bought two put options. I'm up 60. So I'm expecting uh the break. Green line over the orange line. They're pretty spread apart. Where's my 200? My 200 somewhere around here. There's my 200 right here, the red line. Let's take this baby off. Here's my 200, and everything seems to be going pretty good.
What put are you in?
I am in a 217 put. Tesla put. 217 Tesla put. This just. I can't do this.
You can't do what?
My Tesla put cost me. Damn, I don't know. Here we go. I'm about to be 50% up on that Tesla put. Um,
On the Tesla put or the Tesla call?
on the Tesla call.
Thank you. You've been saying a put, and I'm like, how the hell are you up? And I'm sitting here watching Tesla still run.
All right, I'm gonna take my profits right here. I know the odds is just it's gonna keep going, but I caught the run.
That's it. Make the money, take the
Okay,
profit.
great.
Don't worry about it.
So, hold on. Let me make sure I got this price right. So I got my here we go. My Tesla put right here. I bought two at 115.
I have no.
So I spent 230 bucks.
Okay.
230 bucks. No, yeah, 230 bucks. But what I want right now is my SPY. Okay, there it goes. This is no, this is not. This is SPY. SPY. Ooh, awesome. I love the pullback. I need it to go above. Okay, my green line is over my orange. I just need the pullback. Tesla. Hold on. My SPY options. Here is my calls. Trade. I'm gonna buy 10. 413.71. Just I see it. I see it. See that color candle kind of like fluctuates. I just don't see
Yep.
how it's fluctuating to the downside. It's just buyers are just trying to bring it down. But I have a funny feeling that once it gets to this 413.71, it's just gonna go pop. Goes the weasel, the weasel.
Pop goes the
Yeah.
weasel. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and
Go ahead, buddy.
it's just consolidating. Okay. I'm gonna buy 10.
What are we buying?
Am I in?
What are we buying, buddy?
I bought 10. Um. Wait. Something's going on here. It's not showing up. All right. I
Wow.
bought 10 416 spies. Right here. Uh. I think it's 620. 620. Oh, I bought them really expensive.
I have no idea. I'm not looking
So
at your
it cost me about 620. So this should be my last trade for the day. Let's see how it goes. Everything is lining up. Man, I ran really heavy on this.
Did you?
Yeah, really heavy.
All right. Well, I jumped in a while you were trading. I jumped in a 415 spy call, up 19% right now. Up, just dropped all the way back down to got darn 9%. I got spy in an upward moving channel. Obviously, the trend is there. It's moving. Let's see what
Okay, there we
happens
go.
with it.
Let's go. And then 1-to-1 ratio. So,
Try and keep this channel moving as we
and you
approach
see,
this.
s- see how everything, okay, so everything is spread, right? Everything is spread.
Yep.
My green is above my VWAP. It just crossed the 200, so the 200 was a support level, resistance. I'm sorry, resistance, and it just popped right through it. It held it, so now I'm just gonna ride it with the intentions that it's gonna come back to the 9 EMA and it's gonna continue the uptrend.
I think once this contract, if this contract can get in the money, I don't know if it's going to get in the money though. It's got a long way to go to get back to that 415 mark. I'm up 22% though. So I'm up $17 on this contract. It cost me $89 to get in. This is my final trade of the day. Can it hold above 413.92?
Ooh,
That's the
I put a 413.51, which is where there's a green candle right here on the 2 minute and the red
okay.
open close and we're opened here. So
Tesla's starting on the 1 minute, starting to roll a little. Well, it's consolidating. Still up though, man. Massive, massive move on Tesla today. 2028. Massive move.
so
I still got ES futures. I still got S&P futures to the upside. Climbing, 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 trying to break above VWAP there.
it's very expensive.
Yeah, buddy. Trading
I'm
ain't
gonna
cheap.
I'm gonna sell. Hold on.
All right, I'm trying to get out of this contract now.
I'm gonna sell five of my
There it is. It's out. It's done.
I'm gonna sell five of my
All right. So that was 89,
There we go. All right. It's just I think I was
101.
really up really heavy. All right, so I sold five.
Why has my account? Oh, my account hasn't updated yet, but I was at. So that's it for me. I am done trading for the day. Probably could have sat in this contract. All right. Yep. So let me show you real quick, Eddie. I am
Where you
back
at?
up. I am back up to $940. I'm up $132 today.
Nice,
That's it.
nice.
Done for the day. Three successful trades. So now that goes onto the board. Uh, so Tuesday
Hold on,
was
but this is the paper money
yeah. 132. I told you I'm not doing any live trading
until the first.
until March 1st. So that puts me down. I'm plus 13 Uber driving this week from yesterday. And I am right now I am down $60 on the week paper trading. There's my numbers. Complete transparency. I don't want no nothing. Yes, I'm going to show off my chart. Okay, you can see plus 213 in ride sharing this week. Still down $60 in paper trading this week. I'm going to be showing it. I'm not messing around, Eddie. We got to, you got to put it up. People need to see it. They need to know what's going on. It can be done.
I'm still up 11% on these five shares, five contracts actually.
Paul says, "Pop Goes the Weasel" was a children's nursery rhyme adapted from Cockney rhyming slang. Weasel and Stout was another name for coat. I did not know that. Look at that. Not only you come, you can watch us trade, try to work our way out of the gig economy. We got our professors from Ireland teaching us the history behind nursery rhymes. I love it, bro. I love it. I love it. I love it. I flippin' love it. Wow, dude. What do I now? I guess I'm gonna watch you trade for the next
Yeah,
hour.
yeah. I'm still holding. I am still holding.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
If I want to do it the proper way, I want to hold under this until under this candle, which is this one is a low of 413 and 92. So if this gets to 413.92 or 413.90, then I would just get out. But I'm doing the whole candle over candle. If I keep getting candle over candle, just write it.
Okay.
I just see like it's gonna come back to the 9 EMA and like bounce right off of it. So
About 16.5% today. Okay. 16.5% today. That's how much I got back.
well, let's see. I'm still holding on to my five right down here. Five. I'm still up 12% on it or 13. But I'm not looking at my P&L. It's right over here, and I'm trying not to look at it.
Don't
I'm
look at
playing.
it. You just need to keep an eye on your percentages. That's all.
Play this strategy. Play this strategy.
All
Is
right.
when the
And
green line crosses over the yellow line. I should have held on to it a little longer
right.
because
When I
technically,
we got more history here. They would pawn their fine garments to get enough money to buy food to last until payday. Hence, half a pound of tuppenny rice, half treacle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. I like this guy, dude. Like, I want to have a cup of coffee with this dude. We got to do a Zoom call and have a cup of coffee with,
all right.
Paul. All right.
I
By the way,
sold. I sold
up
three
to date.
more. and I'm holding two on the continuation.
Are we scaling out? Is that what we're doing?
Yes,
Smart money, bro. These are my winning glasses from now on. My winning glasses.
I'm doing it down. I'm not playing. Damn, I need more coffee. Man, I need more coffee.
You don't need any more coffee, bro.
Look at
Calm
this.
down.
I'm not doing nothing. I still have two contracts.
That's not the Dom.
Yeah, no, this one's not the dime because I'm technically in. But I'm
Yeah,
I'm just gonna let it go. I'm just gonna let it
let it
go. I
ride.
took my
Well,
profits.
you're in a good position.
All right, and see that it's just like right off the EMA, and technically I would just well, actually what you showed me last time was
What's that?
let it ride, and then once it comes over past my 45 and it closes at my 45, then that's when I would just get out.
Right. Well, you can do that. Or if you see, because remember, the more you trade, the more your mind's eye is going to start to see things. So as your mind's eye begins to see things, oh wow, I did leave some money on the table today though on my
But you
trades.
see, you see this fluctuation that it kind of just it's like moving like really fast. I was like, I know like something is, Oh, and by the way, it broke this 41409. Oh,
Yeah, we're at
these
448
levels,
right
these levels that is passing,
now. Uh huh.
I got from bar chart.
There you go. There you go. You showed me that this morning. So you're confirming your support resistance levels using bar chart. All right. So let's see. Paul says, hence your trade your good coat to the pawn shop or pop to the shop. I'm telling you, bro, I'm going to do some research on that. Uh, hey, send it to me, Vinny. Yes, coffee and Zoom.
Yeah.
You, me, and Eddie, we're going to do a Zoom and have coffee, bro.
Hey, that's not a bad podcast.
What's that?
Coffee and Zoom. Oh, Zoom and
Yeah, of
coffee?
course. Yeah, you can do that. It's,
Not a bad name.
no, you can do that. There's a lot of podcasts out there that some kind of way play off the word coffee. With coffee, the coffee podcast, or what we got going on here. All right, be careful, be aware, be aware.
Dang, damn.
Keep your eyes
All right, so
open.
my
Keep your
worst
head up.
case scenario is that I lose 27% on my options, right? Open P&L on percentage. Yeah. Even if I lose out on these two, so I'm gonna be up. Either way, I'm gonna be up because I took my profits on the way up.
Okay,
So no matter what I do with the options, I'm still gonna be up. So I'm gonna be in a win.
that's it.
Um, but I'm just waiting for this continuation. It's gonna come back to the 9 EMA. Dude, it's just it gets so tempting. It's just like so nervous.
Well, and I'm keeping an eye on the Sergio thing, TLT and triple Qs.
So
I'm just trying to understand what they're doing on a short term. I already know what it's doing on a long term, but you know, I want to see what it does on the short term too. I'm trying to understand it. Like this run up here this morning, I can't show you because it's on another chart. But this run up here this morning is it's was if I understood it correctly, it's doing exactly what it should be doing. And right now we're looking at we got the divergence. We got the triple Qs uh running well, trending upwards, and we got the TLT trending downwards.
put that screen up with the lines, with the QQQ and the.
Oh, hold on. If I do that, then it's going to shut down my other one. Hold on. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Did your mom and dad sing a coffee song in Colorado?
Say what?
The mom and dad, Driven mom and dad.
You mean
Sing
Lisa
a
and Tony?
Yeah, they do a little singing thing in the morning, a coffee thing.
I don't know. It's coffee in Colorado though.
Ah, come on, Spike, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Hold on, while Vinny gets
What? What?
the
What? What do you want me to do?
TLT, while you get the TLT whatever thing set up.
Yeah, I gotta. It's like, I gotta email TradingView to see why they're doing this to me because I don't understand it. But see, and then it says it's disconnected from here, and I'm supposed to be able to run on two devices. Like it doesn't make sense to me. But whatever.
See, this is the price of
So,
this is the price of my option right here. Look at how far down it goes in price by just this little movement. It's so horrible. Look at this. What's my 1 minute saying?
let me stop sharing that screen.
Ooh.
Move the screen. So you see, this is
Yeah.
so the bar chart is TLT.
Uh-huh.
The line, orange line, is QQQ, triple Qs.
Okay.
There's separation. They're separated. Now, this is the daily chart. But what I did was I brought it back down into this chart, into a 5 minute chart, right? So when the market was down this morning, QQQs were under the TLT.
Uh-huh.
But then when the run up started, you see how it separates? Now Qs are on top, TLT is down below. I don't know
Okay.
exactly what that means. But if I somewhat understood, then when the Qs are above TLT, it's okay to go long. But when they start to when the Qs fall below TLT,
Oh,
be
okay,
on
I
the
see.
downside, whether
Because
you're short.
that's just
I don't
showing kind
know
of like
how
a
to do that.
momentum.
Yeah, it kind of shows you a little momentum. I think that's what he's trying to tell me because when you go into the daily and we go into the last year, look, let me get rid of the volume profile there. You see what we got there,
Uh-huh.
right? But I mean they're correlated here, so they're both moving together. Okay, but here is where the divergence is because now TLT is going, it's consolidating or it's running flat, and then it goes into a downtrend while the triple Qs go into an uptrend. And what if I caught it correctly, this is where he says or suggests that this is where you can get aggressive with your trading to the long side, to the upside.
And then opposite if
Right. If they're
the
correlated, then you got
inverse.
to be very careful. Or if they're correlated, you got to be extremely careful. So, but you see, what I don't understand is you see how as I move the chart out, you see how this is jumping,
Yeah.
and so I have
Yeah.
to. I know it's something silly, but I got to figure it out. But, bro, like you can see the big downtrend. This is from December, right? This is December when the market collapsed right here. There's the big downtrend when the market collapsed. So, and this is December of 21, not December of 22. So if you look at SPY, right? If we bring up SPY, let me get into a daily here. Let me get into the yearly. Bring all this down. Let me close out that for you so you don't see that. You see that? You see that big again? December of this was January of 22, but
Uh-huh.
December of 20, there it is, right? So we see that this and this correlate. So what he's suggesting is that as this divergence happens, this separation, one to the cues to the upside means he suggests that the market feels as if the Fed is done raising rates, so you can be a little more confident, a little bit more aggressive going to the long side. So, uh,
Okay.
so it's
Man,
just
he's he's
I
he's
gotta
gonna have
I
to.
just gotta understand it. I'm just trying to understand it. Sorry, two different things. Lisa and Tony have a podcast, Coffee in Colorado. Yeah, I like that podcast, bro. They'll probably be on
Okay.
later too.
That'd be a good indicator for me to use to see if I'm
Well,
gonna be making a good choice.
right. We just got to understand it.
But then it's
Now,
a long term type of thing.
right. Now, if we open it up and we bring in, but look, if you bring in your 9 EMA, because my EMAs are following the TLT. So it looks as if we look right here, right? TLT is now, or the 9 EMA is starting to fail under the, or it's starting to cross down under the 45 EMA. Does that make sense?
Uh huh.
So if TLT is going down, but we have triple Q's going up, there you go. That's supposed to be a good thing. I don't know. I don't know. It's something, just something we got to look at, something we got to keep an eye on. Spy's a little oversold on the 2 minute. Not really over, I mean, overbought.
There you go. Look, I'm not, I'm not doing nothing.
Spy's in, yeah,
I'm not
Spy's
doing
in
nothing.
consolidation here right now.
I'm not touching. I'm letting them ride. My next support level is 416.08, which is another pivot point that I got from bar chart. By the way, we're not sponsored by bar chart and we're not affiliated with them. I just kind of um the individual or lady that I follow, Pookie, something, whatever.
Oh my God. Yeah, that chick.
She brought it up and I was like, oh wow, this is so much easier to put my support and resistance. This way I can recheck it with my support and resistance levels and I can look and I can see if I'm doing it right.
This is a perfect
uh
this chart right here is a perfect example of support resistance working off your previous days highs and lows, running this regression channel in here, and then look at your lines, bro. Look at your three chart lines:
yeah,
your 1 minute chart, your 5 minute chart, your 15-minute chart, your VWAP for the day, and your 200.
I see Vinny's lines are different colors than mine.
Well, I like to think of a traffic signal: red, yellow,
So
green. Red is stop, yellow is caution, green is keep it moving. So that's why I have
look at that. It looks like
some.
it's bouncing right off this 415.85,
Let's see where you're at. There you go.
which is a resistance point right here. 415. No, 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 no.
Red, yellow, green.
No, actually, no. I take that back. I don't know where this came from. But this one catches my interest right here.
All right. I am going to put a
No, no.
link. I need to put a link into the chat. Put a link in the chat. You mind if I
Let me
link
see.
in the chat?
Go ahead, bring it on. Come on, I'm under my 2 minute, under my 3 minute. It's riding the VWAP. I will love another continuation to the upside, but it is like MACD is curling to the downside. My RSI is curling to the downside. It just touched the overbought. But
All
my
right.
lines, look at this. My lines are all spread out.
All
So
right.
it's like
I know
like
it's only there's only a few people in the chat here today, this morning, but the link I just put into the chat, which is right here, okay? That is to my basic trading 101 channel that I've started and stopped. Listen, I'm going to be doing all my trading with Eddie on this channel from now on. So this will be as many Eddie and I will be on, Monday through Friday unless something comes up. And I would appreciate it if you went and gave this channel a subscribe because I'm probably not going to put any more of the trading on my Vinny Cuz channel. I'm going to push everybody to this channel if you want to follow me on this channel. So there you go. I would appreciate it.
and
Thank
the
you.
idea and my idea is to leave a ride sharing to be able to do this every morning for about 2 hours, make the money that I would make ride sharing, which would be about $300 a day and or $2,000 a week, uh, or 100K a year, whichever one comes first, and keep it that way. Okay. Strategy of mine, just when the orange line, when the green line crosses the orange line, and then that's when I buy. Stupid simple. Stupid simple.
All right. I just want to show you something. Just be aware. Look what's happening here. This
Ooh.
is on, this is on SPY. Tesla. You know what? Let me clear this chart off. Yep, that just cleared my other chart too. That's okay. Tesla, that's the daily. Let's get back into the chart here. Tesla's kind of doing the same thing. Look at your RSI on Tesla, right? So we're starting to get into an area consolidation. We have definitely broken out of the channel. So there was the channel right there. That was your morning channel. So we're in an area consolidation now, right? And look at our EMAs. They're starting to flatten out. Even though, look, the 5-minute chart is still pushing up. The 15-minute chart is still pushing up, but the 9 and the VWAP are starting to roll, flatten out. Just be aware, my brother.
Where's my 2 minute? All right, it closed under my 9 EMA, so I'm just gonna take my profits and sell you little like now. Thank you. All right, so I am done for today. I am up $126 on my $1,000 account, which is
Woo!
12.6% if I'm doing it right.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
I
Jailbreak.
am ahead of Vinny right now.
That's good, bro.
So can I do one more trade? No, hold on.
I don't know how much money have you spent. I mean, you're up a little over. What's your take for today? $120. You're up 12% on the mini trade.
126, correct.
So 12% today, bro. Why go against that? But you can if you do the math. Do the math. Stick to the rules.
Yeah, 13. Right, 13. Yeah, February 13th. I got so 340, then 250, 7, and then where am I? What's today's date? Oh, today's the 14th.
Happy. Oh, by the way,
Yeah,
bro.
happy Valentine's Day. I
Happy
wish cakey.
Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Y'all make sure you go out and get your honeys, your spouses, your partners. Get them a little something, something.
14th. Where is it? 17th, 14th, February 14th. That's right. So 620. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh my god, I can't freaking decipher this stuff.
Can't decipher what, homie?
My trade for the 14th. Here's the 14th. 14th, 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 14th. I bought 10.
What a rollover, too, man. Now we're into the Feb retracement.
Here we go. Oh, this is my Tesla. So I spent 230, 230 with Tesla, plus another 620, 678. Oh, okay, yeah. So I spent like 820 bucks.
Okay. So you still got a little room if you wanted to keep trading.
But since played the strategy, everything has worked out. Yeah.
That's it.
All right, here we go. Turning a
Here we
thousand
go.
dollars into 2,000 before we trade live.
All right. So you got it on your board. I want to see the board, bro. I don't believe it. It's not
Hold
real
on.
till you write it down.
Um,
I see you. 1126. I see you.
Let me see. I got a $112. Oh no, $126 market. Let me just put here day trading. All right, but that is it.
Excuse me.
That is it. Well, I don't want to rip it from the wall, but it's there.
Okay.
It's,
I
can you
believe
see
you,
it?
brother.
It's right
I can see
again.
your P&L right
No,
here.
it's right. No, it's like right here. Where is it? All right, but that is it. It'd be good, man. It'd be nice.
All right, Paul. We'll see you tomorrow, bro. See you on the flip side. Appreciate you stopping by.
All
Bro,
right, it
that's it.
is 9:33, 8:30 to 9:30, so only
Yeah,
an
we
hour
can.
of a trade.
That's it. We can flip the script and end the stream and send everybody on their way. It
That's
was a
right.
good
Let's go
money
up.
day this morning.
So let's make this money. Let me see if I can contact my CPA a little sooner. So, all right, taking $1,000 to $2,000 paper trading before we go live. That's it for the Watch Me Lose My Money channel, where we are trying to leave ride sharing into day trading. So, all right, let's keep it going. Let's make this money. Peace.
Peace out.